It's crazy the way I can't do the strip lashes, but I can do the individual because, I mean, come on, that's weird, I know. Most people do it from like on top. I cannot do that for the life of me. I'm going to smudge my eyes with glue. Hey, today I'm going to show you how I do my own eyelash extensions using individual lashes, and I'm at home. So I'm going to use this one today. Normally I use the short one, the short eyelashes, but today I decided to try something different for a change. I'm using a natural medium black by J2 eyelashes, and I'm using the Ardell dark adhesive. I'm gonna start this eyelash and show you the transformation. It makes such a huge difference. Okay, so I'm going to put some of this Ardell glue on the cover of the eyelash pack, just like Elizabeth. So I have some of the glue here. I have an eyelash on the tweezer. Can you see this? Voila. So I'm just dipping it in. I pull my eyelash up. Then I'm gonna put it on the hair. Like that. Another one, another one. I try to put it really close to the other lash that I had before. That way it's kind of uniform. Okay, so I'm finished with one side of my face. Can you see the difference? This side has none. And well, this side you can see it. Okay, so I'm going to do the next side of my face to complete this look. Because right now, obviously, I can't go anywhere with one side with lashes and one side without. You can see it, right? Yeah. I feel like it could be thicker, but I don't want it to seem unnatural. I want it to look as natural as possible. Yeah. Oops. This is the last lash. I'm going to just put it on. Okay, so I'm done. I love them. They look amazing. Longer than I'm used to because I normally use a little shorter, but I like it. Yeah. And you can probably see a little of the glue there. But who's going to look under my eyelid like that? No one. Can you see on top? Does it look natural or what? Yes. Yeah, I love it. Are you gonna try this? Try this. Yeah. Just like take your time. Use tweezers. I like to use this one. This is the one I bought from the beauty store. It's a little slanted. And normally when I'm removing the eyelashes, basically some Cetaphil cleanser works for me. I just wash my face with some and focus on the eye area a bit, and then they come off really easily. So don't stress. Try this. Let me know what you think. Have you ever tried doing your own lashes before, the individual ones? You know, it's crazy the way I can't do the strip lashes, but I can do the individual because, I mean, come on. I do it from under. That's weird, I know. Most people do it from like on top. I cannot do that for the life of me. I'm going to smudge my eyes with glue. So I found that doing it myself, this way, pulling it up and just putting under there, is the best way for me. So maybe it'll work for you. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.